It's funny, of course, the background that I've got, I would have put this data modeling checklist, which, by the way, this is not the data modeling chapter. I'm well aware of this. I would have obviously put in the last chapter. I believe the author did this way because, hey, they want you to be unfettered in your overall data model. They want you to make mistakes. They want you to learn from your mistakes, which, frankly, I do plenty of. This checklist, which I'm not going over each part of it, is the item that'll help you reduce the overall process of normalization, because now you've thought about normalization a little bit more as you are starting to build your DM model or your ER diagram or whatever that you want to do. So this checklist is great for if you were given a project, you're starting from scratch, you already know about the normalization process, then hey, this will help you reduce any normalization that you already need to know. A lot of it that we covered in this section will now really help you determine it and create a newer ER model that, frankly, you wouldn't have done a couple weeks ago. Now you know, hey, let me break it into smaller groups, smaller subsets. It might cost me in the long run. So maybe, hey, here's a spot that might need denormalization because it just, a lot of queries are going to hit that and it just doesn't make sense to keep breaking things up. These are the checklists and items that you now should be using now that you've gone over ER diagrams, now that you've gone over normalization. Use this for whenever the opportunity appears.